In this tutorial, I will show how to create a squash rigging in Autodesk Maya. So go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cylinder, type subdivision cap 0, scale Y type 8, subdivision height type 7, and go to front view, go to modify freeze transformation and change modeling menu to rigging menu and skeleton, select create joint, turn on wireframe on shaded mode and turn on X-ray joint. Just click on this icon and click one joint here. Shift click to make the straight line, just like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Press enter. Now select this, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press Shift plus P to unparent or separate the first joint from the duplicated joint ring. Again Shift plus P and select this, press delete. Now select this joint and hide this. Now select the cylinder and hide this. Go to perspective view, again skeleton, create IK spline handle, click one here and another here. This will create a IK spline handle. Now select the two joint, unhide this and increase the radius. First select this two joint, shift select the curve, go to skin, click on bind skin. Now select the two joint and move and see. Ctrl G to undo. Now select all the joint, modify freeze transformation. Now go to curve, take a nerve circle and press V to snap it to the lower joint. Press F to zoom or focus in to see the correct position. Now go to modeling menu, vertex mode, select the all vertex and scale just like this. You should scale in vertex selection mode, don't scale it in object mode. This will change the pivot point. Now go to object mode, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and press V to snap it to the upper point or upper joint and see. This will position correctly. Now first select the nerve circle, shift select the joint and go to constraint, click parent and do the same for the lower joint and nerve circle. First select the nerve circle, shift select the joint and constraint, parent constraint. Now select the two controller, go to modify freeze transformation. Now rename this lower controller, and this upper controller. Now unhide the polygon cylinder and first select the joint chain, turn on wireframe on X-ray mode. First select the joint chain, shift select the polygon cylinder, go to skin, click bind skin. Now select the nerve circle and move and see. Press Ctrl plus G to undo and move it up. This is not stretching. Press Ctrl plus G to undo. Now go to Windows, Node Editor, and Windows General Editor. Open Connection Editor and place it here. Move the Node Editor just here to see the object correctly. Now press A to focus all. Select all this and remove selected node from graph. Now first select the curve from the outliner and click on this plus icon. Add selected object to the graph and select this and remove selected object from graph. Now press tab key on your keyboard, type curve info and select this. Now first select the curve shape, click reload left and select the curve info, reload right and select world space and curve info, select input curve. This will connect the curve shape and the curve info. Now again press tab key on your keyboard and type multiply and click on the multiply divide node and open this. Just click on this icon, rectangular icon, double click and rename it stress and connect the arc length to the input 1x. Again open the connection editor and select the stress node and click reload left and select all the joint from the outliner. Just click, control click and click reload right display, deselect the show non-keyable and select output X to scale X, all the joint scale X, joint 2, scale X, scale X, scale X, scale X, and scale X. This will increase its height. Now to fix this, first select the stress node, open attribute editor and select operation multiply to divide and copy the input 1 value and paste it to input 2. Press enter and see. This will return it to normal length, and select this and move. This time stressing working. Ctrl G to undo, and if you move down, this is looking weird. So to fix this, that is called squash rigging. Press Ctrl plus G to undo. Now open node editor. Again select this and press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and rename it squash. And connect the arc length to input 2x. Now again put it here, this also here, this here. Again press tab key on your keyboard and type multiply and open multiply and divide node again and rename it A. Press enter and duplicate it. Ctrl plus D to duplicate and rename B. Ctrl plus D to duplicate and rename it C. And increase its size. Select this, Alt plus middle click, and to move it here. Now select the upper controller from the outliner, open the channel box, node editor, select this and see the value, all are same. Select the upper controller, click on edit, add attribute, or you can add attribute from modify, add attribute, edit, add attribute, type squash A and copy the name and default value type 1.3. Click add, again press Ctrl plus V to paste and press B, default 1.6, edit, Ctrl plus V to paste and rename it C and type 1.3. Click add. Now close the attribute editor and open node editor, select the upper controller, click add, move them just like this. Select the upper controller shape and remove from graph. Move it down. First select the upper controller, open connection editor, move it here, connection editor, click reload left and select all the three, select this, minimize, open attribute editor, select operation multiply to power and do the same for all the three, power, select this, power. Now select the connection editor, alt middle click and put it here, connection editor. First select the A, squash A and connect it to scale X. Select all the three and reload right. Squash A, input 2x, squash B, input 2x, squash C, input 2x. Again select the squash node and click reload left and select the lower joint and rename it joint A, rename it joint B and rename it joint C. And select this, control select, reload right, select output X to scale Y and Z, joint B, scale Y and Z, joint C, scale Y and Z. Now again select the three controller, click reload left and show non-keyable, from here out X, select the squash node and click reload left and select the three multiply node, reload right, output X to join input 2 Y and Z. Do the same for all the join. Now minimize it. First select this, move and see. Squash working. Turn off the grid to see clearly. This is the squashing rigging process.